Hi guys, it's Laura, and today I'll be showing you my slime. My best friend Gabby made it for me last night, and I love it a lot. I've been wanting slime forever now, and I finally got it, and I was so happy when I got it, and you don't understand how happy I am. Um, and my little sister Gabby had some. It was right here, but she just grabbed it. Hey Gabby, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say hi. Yeah, that's my little sister Gabby. Um, so yeah, this is my slime. She used borax, water, glue, school glue, um, shaving foam, and lotion, hot water, and stuff like that. I'm not sure what else she used. I don't remember. I'll ask her and then I'll make a video about it and everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna go. Bye.